sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag. Liwanag sa dilim, harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin. Ito ang liwanag sa
Do you wanna go outside? Run around under the sunlight.
Iyan, ikaw ay magsa 7 years old na. Happy birthday, love ka ni Daddy. Ingatan mo yung health mo kasi yan yung kayamanan natin. Mag-aral ka mabuti. Alam naman natin na pogi ka. Kaya iwasan mo masyado ang pang chichiks. Kumaya kay Daddy Isa lang. Happy birthday. I love you, anak.
I'm talking about that feeling you get when the sun hits your eyes.
You are so lucky to have both parents like your mom and your dad, right? Like your mom and dad. And continue to get your goals. Okay, thank you.
I'm seeing you smile, looking you into the night time.
Wish ni Ninang Joy sa'yo ay always good health, mahaba ang pasensya palagi, at higit sa lahat maghintay ng chill lang. Bawasan ang pagiging mainipin katulad ni Daddy.
Hey, am I dreaming? What is this feeling? Breath of the morning air, I believe it's filling my lungs with visions of love.
Happy 7th birthday, Kian. Yun din, kagaya din ng wish ni Daddy, sana lagi kang healthy. Kasi nga, this past few months, medyo, yun nga, ilang beses tayo na ospital.
Guys on the sidewalk, give them a story, taking the wonder. Do you wanna go?
Always good health palagi. At kagaya ng wish nila, mas maging mabuting bata, mas maging pagpapala ka sa iyong pamilya. Yun lang po, salamat. Happy birthday.
So, Kian, happy birthday. So, ang wish ko lang ay maging masaya ka lagi. At the same time, maging continuous na maging blessing sa iyong pamilya. Maging masunodin sa daddy at mommy. At maging mabait kay Ate Steph.
Mag-aral ka ng mabuti kasi alam mo na, alam kong gusto mo maging police paglaki. So, kailangan mag-aral kang mabuti. Amin lang. Again, happy 7th birthday, Kian. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Kian. Sana good health ka palagi at mag-aral ka mabuti. I love you. Happy birthday.
I'm seeing you smile. We can go into the night time.
Thank you po. I'm so happy.
Happy 7th birthday, Kian. We love you.